Alright, let's do Save Kelly 148 questions 124 through 148. So now, for cause algebra, use the quadratic formula, put it in there, ABC. So we have a negative of this one, 2 squared, what is that? That's going to be negative 2 plus 4, that's going to be 484. Add square root of that is going to be 22. Add 22 minus 22. So this will be a 20 over 16. 4 times that, cancel the 4, so 5 over 4, we're done. This is going to be negative 24 over 16. 8 times that, 8 times that. So these go away, so we have negative 3 over 2. Okay, alright, next one. We have a graph. Fx is x squared minus 8x plus 16. Put in your graphing calculator, run it. And the windows are let's clear it. Negative 10. So let's put these numbers in here. Negative 10 and 10 and negative 2 and 18. And the function is that one. X squared and minus 8x plus 16. Hit graph. It looks like this right here. So you can use trace also if you want. Let's see, trace. You can find some points right there, keep going. Find some more points right there, keep going. You can find other points. Okay, alright. Graph looks like this. There's a point, there's a point, there's a point. There they are using the graphing calculator. Another graph. Alright, that's fine. Let's just reset our function window. This is negative 10, 10, and negative 10 and 2. 10 and 2 matches it. Yep. So now, let's get rid of this. X squared minus 6x. Hit graph. There it is. Matches this one. Do a trace on it if you want to. Have 0 and 0, 0. Keep going. Get another point. And keep going. Get another point. So anyway, we can get graphs. We can get points right there on the machine. Another graph. Alright. This is our window first. So you have negative 12, 12, negative 10, and 10. So we have negative 12, 12, negative 10 and 10. Okay. Hit y. Clear the old one out with the new one. X squared minus 4x minus 5. Enter. Hit graph. So now, that's what we have for our graph. So now you can do trace. There's a point there. There's another point there. And there's the end of it. Alright, so we got the graphs. And yep, we're good. So now, the new graph, windows. Let's see, windows are negative 12, 12, 10, 10, that's okay. Y, clear that out. x squared plus 6x plus 9. Hit graph. New graph right there. You can use trace. Yep. Keep going. Find another point. Find another point. Now we have add 4 to both sides. 7x is bigger than 35. So we have divide by 7, divide by 7. So x is bigger than 5. From 5 to infinity, 5 to infinity. We're done. Another one. F of -6, put it in there, put it in there. -6, 36 times that, 144. -24 plus 5, so that's going to be 120 plus 5, 125. I'm done. For the rational zero theorem. So the last of the first. This number over this number. Factor it out, the top, bottom. Possible answers are 55, 11, 5, and 1. Let's try -1 in there. -1 in there, synthetic division. Here's 1 minus 5, 61, 55. Put the 1 down. That's going to be -6. That's going to be +6, and that's -55. And that's going to give you 55, and that's 0. So this is left over. Bring it down here. Synthetic. Try -5 this time. So put the 1 there. That turns out -5. That's going to be -11. That turns out -55. Negative positive, so that's going to be 0. Left over is x minus 11 equals 0. So add 11, so x equals 11. So answers are -1, -5, 11 for that. Complex numbers. So ABC, quadratic formula, put it in there. So you have negative of negative, and then we have -14 squared. That turns out is 520. -324. Square root of -324 is going to be 18i. Divide by 2, divide by 2, 7 plus minus 99. 7 plus 99, 7 minus 99. Nine minus 4x is this. Minus 9 minus 9. -4x less than -16. Divide by -4, divide by 4, turn the alligator, turn the alligator. So x is bigger than or equal to 4. Or move 4 this way, or 4 to infinity. (27 2/3). 27 is 3, 3, 3. Right there. 3 to 3 over 1. That times that's going to be 6 over 3. That's going to be 2. 3 times 3 is a 9. We're done. H of -3. Put -3 in there. That times that is 9. 9 times that is 18. 18. 18, 9, 3. So now we have let's see, what do we have here? And we have a 30 at the end. Use the quadratic formula again. Put it in there. So we have ABC. So we have negative, negative, negative. So we have 10, 100 plus that, 256. Square root of 256 is 16, 16. Divided by 2 by 2. 5 plus 8, 5 minus 8. We're done. We have given the minimum factor 9. 9 times that is 9x. 9 times 7, 63. We're done. Is this x plus 5, x plus 7? Is this one? Let's see. X times x, x squared. That's going to be 7x, 5x, 35. Yes, that works. X plus 1x minus 19. Does that work? 19. That's going to be 19x, 1x, 20x, 19 at the end. Yes, that works also. X plus 2x plus 7, x squared plus 7x plus 2x plus that. That's going to be 9x in the middle. Yes, that works. X minus 2, x minus 7. Does that work? That turns out 14. Minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. Let's check it. That turns x squared. Minus 7x minus 2x plus 14. Yes, that works. Factor it out. 6 and negative 7. Does that work? Check it. That turns out is x negative 7x. That turns out is negative split 6. So that's going to give you negative 1x. Yes, that works. 3 and 7, is that 21? Does that work? That turns out 21. See, that turns out x squared. Does that work? Yes. This is our guess. Does it work? Let's check it. That turns out is 6x squared. That turns out is 3. It's 8. 4. There it is. And it works. Does that one work? 5x minus 1 is that. So 5 times that is 5x squared. 5 times that is 20. That turns out negative 1x. That turns out is negative 4. 5x squared plus 20 minus that 19. Yep, that works. X minus 4, x minus 6. Does that work for there? Let's see. X times x, x squared, minus 6x, minus 4x, plus 24. That works. Square root of this, just write divide by 5, divide by 5. Divide them, you get x7, y5. Square both sides. And this is 16. X minus 8 is this. Add 8, add 8. 24 divided by 8, divided by 8. X is 3. Put it in, check it. 8 times 3, 24 minus 8. 16. Square root of 16 is a 4. 4 is 4. Yes, that works. That's good. It all works out.